And this is what I did when it finished printing. As you could tell, it took quite a while to print, but once you get the colours right, it's fine. And like I said, it comes in different parts. You got the back, which came out fine, and you got the front, which very thin, but you need it for it to come through. So make sure you use bright colours, and because she's got a pink room, I did the pink base. So that should fit on there like so. But what we're going to do, we're going to light it up. But first, I'll show you how I made it. So I went on to Maker World, and I went to Maker Lab, which is here, just on left. If you scroll down, and you'll see the Lightbox Maker. Go on to there. These are drafts that I've done before. But if you click New Project, then you're going to have to import your JPEG file. Well, your logo, anything you want. So you want it on the free one. You click Next. So it generates a vectorized image. And there we go. That's the image. Near enough the same. So these are all colours that are mapped. So I've got to change this to get 4 colours. But you can do 5 because the P2S does 5. But I'm going to delete that and put that black. Don't press confirm yet. That one can delete and go black. Yep, that's fine. And it says, there you go, your design is ready. You need to buy some of these, or you can have a pink in it. It tells you where you can buy it all. So you press download, and that should be it in there. So if you double click that file, it brings up this page. So as you can see underneath, it's got the logo. These are the change of colours. That is the back plate, as you can see, it put the hole in, and the USB hole. See that? And then that's the base. And then while you're in here, you could even click the object, and you could even, you know, paint it to whatever colour you want, really. Fill that onto that. So you could have that yellow if you wanted. So you could change colours in there, but that base there, you'd have to change that in the Maker Lab. So I went on Amazon and I bought some LED lights, and I thought it needs powering. So I bought a battery box as well. So what we're going to do first is put the lights in this. So it comes with a roll in the packet. It comes with the adapter, the USB, which will go into here, and we can put rechargeable batteries in there. And it comes with a remote control because it does all different colours. So let's get these LED lights in. Right, first of all, we got these lights like this. Sorry if you can hear printers in the background, but they're printing some shelf brackets at the moment. Right, we've got to end. So we're going to need this in there, aren't we? And what I can do is fasten that to the back. So what we need is the USB stuck out the back. So it doesn't matter where it goes really, does it? So this has got a bit of sticking on it. So what we'll do, if we just put it on inside like this. Right, it's too long, but you can cut these. So what we'll do, where it joins there, it won't cut in there. You see the little silver marks? And you just want to cut on that line there. Cut the line, Gareth. Cut that. Don't need that. And then that can go there like that. So now we've got lights all the way around. So what we need to do is put some batteries in this box now. No, we do. We need to put this in. Go. And then we've got the USB. We need 3 batteries. Good old rechargeable batteries. So before we put it together, let's test it. So after faffing about, I can't get it working. I've changed batteries. I've changed for another one of these that I got off Amazon, and it didn't work. So what it is, I got a trusty power bank out, and I thought I'd just try it in the power bank, and it works. See, look, different colours. So clearly, there's something wrong with these, because we did make a hole in the back of it, didn't we? Which I'm glad we did now. So if I put all that in there and close that, right, when it sits on the shelf on its bracket like that, I can plug it in and it gets all lit up, doesn't it? She's gonna love that, isn't she? And then we've got the remote control to you can have it red, you can have it yellow, you can have it, I don't know, whatever colour it is. What is it? Flash? What's flash? Oh, look at that. Smooth. So you've got all sorts of colours, haven't you? She's going to love that. But first I need to print all these brackets. Even, oh, my new one's here. So that's printing brackets, that's printing brackets, and that's printing brackets. Because I've got a bin bag of plastic here, but I've got this shelf which needs to go in a vlogging studio. So I'm going to put this on the shelf.
That's really nice. I just expected it to be pink.
I'm not colourblind, so you can choose a colour.
Ah!
Yeah.
I love it!
There's flash and all sorts.
Pink.
But do you know these brackets that these that I wanted to put inside it? I wanted these to put inside there,
Yeah.
in back. So basically you didn't have to plug it into that power bank. But I've just tried 3 of them. I got a pack of 6 from Amazon, and not one of them works.
Do you know, I think it's the charger you bought for them, I'm not going to lie. Because do you know the charger that you bought for the batteries?
Yeah.
I'm not going to lie, when we charge them with that 12 volt battery that you bought in the motorhome, they last us for months, don't they? They died on every single battery you bought the other day has died, it's the charger.
It might be. But there you go, one light up box. Make it light up pink.
It is pink.
Is it pink?
Yeah, put it on pink. That's your different colours.
Yeah. I like it.
Strobe.
So it comes on a stand.
Woo!
But we'll just put, because this is going on a shelf, it'll go like that.
Smooth pink.
So I'm just printing the brackets off now for it, the shelf which is there. There we go. There's how to make a light box. Catch you on the next video.